Honorable authorities, Walia sir, Walia ma'am, Vice Chairman Nikhil sir, HR Manager Nidhi ma'am, Principal Mr. Bharat Kalia, Vice Principal Mrs. Rekha Bhandari, Principal of Dr. Kalam Mrs. Gurpit Sharma, coordinators and dear colleagues. Good morning everyone. We are highly honored and privileged that we are having the gracious presence of Mr. Vipin Sharma, who is physics faculty, motivational speaker, and career counselor, who has conducted around 500 workshops, including students as well as teachers across Punjab, Haryana, UP, Uttarakhand, Jammu region, so forth, so on. I think we are very lucky.
Himachal.
Okay, Himachal. I think we are very lucky that we are going to start our session with the inspirational and motivational session of Mr. Vipin Sharma. Definitely, we are going to learn some new tactics that our teacher will apply in the upcoming session to bring the best in the new session. So without any further ado, I would like to invite Mr. Vipin Sharma to start with today's session.
Hello, ma'am.
So please put a huge round of applause.
Yes,
Let's welcome Vipin sir.
Can you take? Yes. Should I?
Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you. A very good morning, teachers. Once I have just said very good morning, teachers, and teachers have assembled on a holiday. So one of the teacher students said, "What is so good in this morning?" So this is really an amazing, interactions. Earlier I had, and again today, Honorable Principal Sir, in absence, Chairman Sir, and Honorable Vice Principal and coordinators, and Honorable Sandeep Kat Sir from PP publication. Had he not been here, I would not have been here, right? Then I would have been here without him if you have directed and called me. But today, on behalf of PP publication, so I am here. So big round of applause for PP. And it's upcoming publications and one of the oldest in education, but now it's doing great. So it's my 532nd workshop and third in your school. And should I say one thing, first love is first love. Sandeep is really my first crush in workshops. I would like to invite Sandeep here for a moment, let me tell you, because it will be like sir,
Thank you, sir.
stop कर दे एक मिनट